In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and accept payments on your Wix website. First, open your Wix website dashboard. Head to wix.com, sign in, and pick the site where you want to accept payments. If you're not already in the editor, click Edit Site or Edit Design to open it. This puts you in the right place to make changes that affect your store, services, or pricing plans. Next, go to your payment settings. From the left-hand menu in the dashboard, click Settings. In the Settings panel, select Accept Payments. Depending on your view, it may also appear as Payments or Payment Methods. This is the control center for connecting and managing payment providers. Now choose the payment method you want to offer. You'll see options like credit and debit cards through Wix Payments or another card processor, PayPal, and other regional gateways based on your country. Click Connect next to the method you want to use. If you're unsure, starting with Wix Payments and PayPal covers most customers and regions. Wix will open a setup wizard for the provider you selected. For PayPal, sign in to your PayPal business account, confirm your business details, and approve the connection with Wix. For Wix Payments or card payments, enter your business information, add your bank account details for payouts, and accept the provider's terms. Make sure everything matches your legal and banking records to avoid payout delays. If you need to pause at any point, click Cancel. You can return later and pick up where you left off. Once the connection is successful, the payment method will show as connected or active in the Accept Payment section. From here on, it will automatically appear at checkout on your online store, in your service bookings, and on your pricing plan or membership checkout. No extra setup needed. If you want to give customers more choice, repeat the process to add multiple payment methods. Connecting both PayPal and a card processor is a common, customer-friendly combo and doesn't add extra work after the initial setup. Before going live, test a payment. In the editor, open your store, services, or pricing plans page and place a test order, or use a test item if you're just starting. At checkout, make sure the payment options you connected are visible and that you can complete a transaction in test mode. When you're confident everything works, click Publish in the top right corner to make payments live. After publishing, monitor incoming payments in your provider dashboards and in your Wix order section to stay on top of sales. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.